Hi there, Steph from Gillettelabs here to tell you a bit about the heated razor and how you can get your best shave with it. This razor is the first in the world designed to give you the experience of a hot towel shave with every stroke. It delivers this with this warming bar right here. To turn it on, you just press this button and it heats up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit in less than a second. It will automatically heat to the high temperature setting, denoted by this orange light. To change it to the lower heat setting of 109 degrees Fahrenheit, you just press and hold this button here, and the light changes to yellow. If you turn off the razor, it will automatically heat to whatever temperature it was on previously when you turn it back on. The warming bar houses 4 intelligent heat sensors to make sure it stays consistently at your preferred temperature throughout your entire shave. Once the razor is turned on, you can shave with it as you would with any other razor. You can use your preferred shaving gel or shaving cream, and you can shave at the sink or in the shower, whichever you prefer, since the razor is 100% waterproof. It features Gillette's best shaving technology with 5 anti-friction blades, a Flexdisc to adapt to your contours, and a trimmer blade on the back to help get tricky spots. The cartridges change out easily, like any other razor, so you can ensure your blades are always sharp. To eject the cartridge, you just slide the eject button forward, not down. You can see that the warming bar is attached to the handle, and it fits through this technology delivery port on the cartridge. To attach a new cartridge, you line up the warming bar on the handle with a port in the cartridge and press firmly until you hear a click. When you first open the product, you'll need to activate it before you can use it for the first time. To do so, you plug the smart plug into the charging dock like this and set the razor on the charging stand. It will activate within an hour and needs just 6 hours for a full charge.